What's up, guys? It's me. I'm homesick today from school. I've been not feeling very good for the past few days. Anyway, I started dating my front yard for pigeons and some doves, and I set up this little trap, and I just caught this. This is I believe it is a male junco, is what they're called. I don't really have to worry about it getting out. Oh, that's a female. Anyway, I'm gonna go. This was so simple. Oh, and I caught another bird. Holy crap! This one's a bigger one. I gotta make sure. Wow, I wasn't even paying attention to this one. Oh, and there goes the doves. That's what I was trying to get. Anyway, let's start with this one. This, I have no idea. It looks like a robin, yet it has white on it. So this is to prove that those bird traps I showed really do work. It has white on him. I'm gonna try to get you. I'm gonna let him out. Yeah, he's freaking. There he goes. Wow, that's cool. I didn't even know that one went off. That one was a simple bait stick and trigger stick, and this one was literally a string piece of fishing line that went in that window. Anyway, I'm gonna actually try to grab her. So let me set this camera down real fast. Man, this is cool. So basically, I've been baiting my front yard for a while, to tell you the truth. For things like pigeons and then doves. These guys have always, yeah, this is a pretty bird. It's a female junco. I believe that is actually what they're called. I'm not sure. Trying to figure out a way I can actually grab it. You know, I don't think I can get out this way. I'm gonna try to corner it. Grab it. It's actually pretty hard, to tell you the truth. I'm actually gonna take off my jacket. Try to get it that way. Come on, almost. That's just too hard. I want to get it out so I can show you guys, but okay. Right here. I'm going to try to get it as easily as I can. Anyway. Really not much to really do or show. Oh, there she goes. She got away. Anyway, that was two birds I caught. That was really crazy, to tell you the truth. I had only known that one since I had pulled the trigger, pulled the thing on it. Oh, there it goes. They're all out here. That's so cool. It's actually really cool, actually. I got that little chance right there. Anyway, thanks, guys. See ya.